This is a clear 60 egg holder for your fridge. It's got a high capacity container with a time scale included. It's a stackable organizer with 2 layers of drawers. The size is 11.6 by 10.2 by 5.1. It's both clear and sturdy. Set the time you put your eggs in and accurately record the freshness of the egg. Adopts a vertical design with 1 egg per grid to prevent eggs from being crushed. Completely helps me organize what I'm eating, and it helps in the storage of my fridge overall. I've absolutely loved it.